Software Anvesh is smart document management system. Our vision is to build a software where users can upload, search, and download any document anywhere, anytime. So we have four basic operations: uploading a document, searching for a document, choosing among the results displayed, and downloading the document if required. Let us talk about few stats before entering into the details about the software. So, on average, according to McKinsey, employees spend around 1.8 hours per day in searching and gathering information. So, on average, 28% of business time, that is 1 day per week, is wasted in searching information. Workers take up to 8 searches to find the right document and information according to Search Cloud. So there's a huge market to tap. According to Forbes, it is the market value is around $66.27 billion by 2021. That is a growth rate of 14.28% during the year 2016 to 2021. Anvesh is a software which performs unstructured dynamic search on documents, supporting around 1000 plus file formats, where it has the capability to easily locate the most relevant document for the user's query in just milliseconds. So this software is basically designed to address the maximum productivity of users by providing accurate search results in finding information and allowing to download the document anywhere to any device. So we have five different blocks where we have uploading, searching, analyzing, results, and downloading. Technology stack is open source APIs, where we are dependent on Elasticsearch, Tesseract OCR, Apache Tika, PyPDF OCR, and Microsoft Azure Cloud for ELK stack. The languages we have used are Python, Java, JSP, C++, and C language. Web development stack is LAMP stack, Apache Server Management, HTML or CSS, and JS, Bootstrap, and jQuery. Although we have preferred using open source technologies at every point of our software development to ensure scalability and efficiency, we have initially deployed our software in local server. Later, we installed the complete ELK stack on Microsoft Azure Cloud to improve security and ensure more consistency with reliability. So let us talk about the market research we have done regarding document management system. So 68% of the government organizations want to achieve paperless offices by 2020 to support digitization. Why they have done this is 28% of employees' business time is wasted just to find the relevant work information. So there's a huge loss to the industries. So the market value of the industry of document management systems is a global value of $66.27 billion. So there is a 22% market growth in content management system software by the year 2021. So our target market is basically the audience who have basic acquaintance in digital devices. So we have public sector where government organizations like department offices, tahsildars offices, law courts, postal services, where lakhs of documents are created and shared on a daily basis. In private sector, we have MNCs, consultancies, startup companies, hospitals, e-commerce warehouses, banking sectors, and many other small-scale industries where every minute lot of documents are being shared and searched for. In education sector, we have materials like books, research papers, and other useful documents which are required by teachers and students during their studies. So, in also in research, lot of experimentation, documentation, and searching for resources happens. Often, a lot of time is consumed in generating and searching for these documents. So, a collaborative software which helps the research scholars to upload their documents and share with their friends or research fellows so that they don't waste the time on searching for the document and develop something new. Our business goals ahead are initially, to launch the software in our university at the Vice Chancellor's office. We have successfully completed this. Later, we aimed the Smart India Hackathon 2017, where we are developing the software for NCRT department under Ministry of Human Resource Development for the Government of India. We have also achieved this. Later, we are looking forward for angel funding to scale up the software further and build more robust features to launch in the market successfully for government organizations and enterprises later. Further, we are planning for a software as a service launch where we want to open the software for users on a cloud where individuals and organizations can purchase the software as a service. Here are the few takeaway points of Anvesh. A safe and secure user login system which enables you to upload your files safely into the system. We allow you to upload and search around 1000 plus file formats in just one click. We actively support scanned images using optical character recognition. By scanned images, we mean the hard copy documents which are regenerated through scanning and which are stored as scanned images in the computers. So, thus, upload once, access and download from any device anytime is what Anvesh is. So, let us see our software, Anvesh Smart Document Management System, in action. We have a safe user login system before the user enters into the system. So a user has to drop an email ID and a password to enter the system. If he is not registered with the system, he needs to initially register to address the services. So we have register, login and forgot password before the user uses the services. Later, the user can search for documents, choose and download the right document. So a user drops a query and then the results are being displayed to and then if the user finds the right result, he may download the document. So there is an administrator who manages all Anvesh users. So an administrator has a sole right over the users. He can add, update, view and send email to users. He can also block or assign roles to users or customers. There's a real-time monitoring of user activities, which is an asset to an administrator. Server maintenance redirects, view daily, weekly, and yearly stats are some of the features which an administrator holds. These are few other links to explore about Anvesh. We have software instructions PDF, prototype video, software working screenshots, software presentation, and our software source code and our developers page. Feel free to check out. Thank you. Feel free to email us at prxpanvesh@outlook.com for any other queries. Thank you @teamanvesh.